Everybody, this is Rama Devi from Devi Narayan Housing and Property Developments Private Limited. We are a group as such, and we are into granites as well as the housing sector as well, and we do the construction in all prime locations in the cities. We have projects located at places like Koturpuram, then East Circular Road, Mandaveli, Shastri Nagar, and of course we had our finished products in T Nagar and even in the Sandhome, and we have a couple of projects that we have completed in Bangalore as well. Our main focus will be like construction. We do the construction mainly on prime locations, and of course our main concentration will be on the elite class. We do have projects in the suburbans like Tirumala, and of course if you see on the OMR road, it is there at Karapakam. The specialty of our construction would be like we concentrate more on the quality part, and of course the construction what we do, the number of flats that we construct is all limited, and it will be like a very spacious construction. Of course, we do offer good amenities like kids play area, the security access, video door phones, and you have water purifications in most of our projects, and of course STP and rainwater harvesting. So for any details, you can contact me. My contact number is 98417 Thank you. Common facilities as such would be the video door phone access. Then you have of course every project of ours has a lift, and we have a water purification. The main asset compared to others is we do very spacious constructions. Our double bedroom house minimum starts from 1,000 square feet actually. So, and yeah, it's a unique feature, and it's all like in prime locations like Koturpuram and Mandaveli, Shastri Nagar. The minimum price per square feet of us, the least available one is 4,100. That is for our project in Tirumala.
It's only three or four floors construction.
Most of our constructions would be like still plus maximum 3 or 4, not more than that, because we would like to give limited flats with good neighborhoods. That would be our main concentration.
So the builders will be doing the maintenance things.
Of course, we do 1 year of maintenance. After that, once the association is formed, we hand it over to the association.
So the other facilities like theatres, schools, parks.
No, we are not giving any retail amenities as such. Whatever it is.
Properties are located in such a place where the customers come.
Of course, it's all in prime locations, madam. So the reachability is very high actually. Accessibility is very good. Like if you take our project in Koturpuram now it's considered as the heart of the city, where you have access to anywhere you would like to go in the city. It's within 10 or 15 minutes of reach.
How is the customer response?
So customer response is very good. It's very, very good, and there are a lot of bookings happening.
So you are associated with all the brands, and how about the furniture, interior?
No, we don't give anything furnished. We just give the bare shell as such. Furnishings, we leave it to the client's choice, because we don't get into the point of doing the interiors and all. We just leave it purely to the clients.
So you are associated with all the brands.
Yeah, of course. We do have tie-ups with banks like Axis, ICICI, HDFC, SBI, and of course even private finances like Tata Finance.
So which area locality do you look at as prospective for future?
See, as such, all the locations which are based in the city are definitely going to be very prospective, because wherever we are doing in cities, all we have very good high appreciation in the next couple of years. So
How is the real estate business overall?
real estate, yes, it is a bit going a bit tough at present, but of course we are expecting good business in the coming few months actually.
What impact do you think will have after the elections?
Yes, people are under the impression that just because of elections, nobody wants to shell out money and invest actually at this point of time. But maybe once election gets
What
over.
changes do you think that will come up in industry? The cement prices might come down or anything ever do you expect?
Yeah, maybe there may be some price that may come down in the civil materials that are being used, and of course sand was a major problem all these days. So maybe that problem nowadays just day by day it is getting solved. So maybe in future, in a couple of months, it should get better. That was the major concern we faced a few days back. So due to that, we had a lot of delay in the construction. So maybe we are expecting that to get.
Projects are ready for occupation.
No, not all. Few of our projects, like Koturpuram one, it is ready for occupation, and of course our Kilpaw Gardens flat as well is also ready for occupation.
So the other projects are in place.
Yeah, they are ongoing actually. They are about 60 to 70% complete.
Thank you.